Number 3, Rosen. LG.
Wata-wata lang kamay kayo. Dugay kayo mag-ilis sa matiguan.
Wala pa ang haplas. Ang haplas, nawala pa ang haplas.
Larga ng series.
Last break. Wata-wata kayo. Napay last break. Second break pa din. Dugay ka mag-ilis. O, dalawa. Sige lang yung bato, series. Para dumagitis mo. Dumagitis mo. Alas 4 rin ka. Magiging ka ng series.
Sige.
Buwa paghapon pa. Galiston pa. Okay. Nalang, driver.
Right.
Okay.
Jump ball between Big Big and number
11.
number 10. Blue versus Blue and Green. Alright, come on. Alright, number 4 is Arianto Romeo. The Roses to number 8. Long pass to number 14. Into a long rebound by Arvin Gastic. To Sarguno. And to number 4, breaking the ball. To Mr. Ventura. Good for 3 points by Mr. Gastic. Number 8, Ray Russo. And back to number 0. 8. El Tero Engineering. Number 10. For 2, no good. Rebound by the basket to Angelo. Angelo to the basket again. Number 3. Rebound by Use the body. Rebound by number 0. Over. Yes. Kulang. Kulang buaya. Good for 2. Alright. Nakahanap ng tambahan si Angelo. Long pass to number 11. And 11 to Saluni to number 4. Long again. Wow! His birthday today. 3 points by Angelo. Double 0. For Ray Russo. Back to Russo. And number 14. Vince to Jason number 3. Ball for 3 points by Jason. Mr. Russo. Long for open man. Long to Hickling. Joe to go for 2. Boy, wala. Tawid mamaya. Double 0. Double 0. Back to Vince. Number 10. Alright, there's a whistle. It's a blue ball. Joe to go for 5. Pera. Dawit. Don't got to be away. Romeo again. One line. Rebound by number 10. 10 going up. Oh, wow. Nice rebound by Yemen.
Patay nakatulog mo.
10 point.
Nangway.
Patanapat ni Piano. 8 point by Lucero. To number 8. Never to number 9. Yeah, number 9. Jason again for 2. Mr. Go to ball for 2. Tapos. Rebound by Mr. King of the week for 3 by Angelo. Number 9. Nakakalap na sa lalim ang kuha kay Angelo. To number 9. Ito po the pass to Benz. Wala. Rebound by Castro. May sumasap ngayon. To Angelo. Long crowd by Angelo. Nice. Ito wala.
Malas, malas kan, malas. Sak, sak.
Mr. Booking ng Dawit. Apilis. Dolusero. Don Jason. Marlon Tabas. Vicky. Alain Jersey. Connect for 3. Wala. Rebound by Vicky for 2. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Marcelo. Lompat sa Benz. Number 14. Napasa sa kalaban kay Angelo. Angelo pero Tigli dito. Connect. 2 points by Tigli.
Ay, mahimo.
May Manimo. Nasyuman. Double zero to number 9. 0-6 to 3. Oy, wala. Oy, blue ball. Hindi ako lang taga Scarborough. Agaw. Dito na tubad sa traffic.
Ay, si Don Jimmy.
11. Pinasa kay Angelo.
Ay, tiro.
Master number 3. Happiness for 3. Interview yan mamaya. Interview yan. Number 9. Lapio. Boy. Jump ball. Bola sa blue. Green pala. Sorry.
Green ball.
Blue ball. Third ball. Don't share. Inbound by number 7. To Ringuso. Number 9. To Derba. Oy. Derba. Oy. Hindi naman nag-side. Inbound by Tigling to Joe. Easily up. And the reverse. And some good re-up. Oy. Sakto siya. Ison. Wala. Iwan na number 10. Good ball. Number 4. Angelo. To number 11. Don't Legazpi with 3. Tapos. Meron ba ng Joe to the middle? To Joey. Joe Silva. Sakura. Joao. Mario. Velasquez. 0. 16 na 13. 14 out. Inbound by Blue. Tigling to Velasco. To Rubio. To Aquinas. Tigling. Lamante kay Rubio. Nagawa kay Jose. Number 9 to follow up. For 9. Perfect. The point guard of LG Reality, number 30. Alright, only last one. Temple Diamond number 30. And number 10. This is the shoe. 4 points. That's all. To Renato Abenes. Sa Palagi, ready now. Top shoot. Mr. Velasco. Hanao. Rebound by Anging Domo Lorenzo. Kanto number 4. Nasunahan. Time remaining is 10.10 seconds. Tira now, 15-4. And favor of 80-50. Up by 9 points. Alright, sub now.
Then the shoot.
And the shoot. Alright, nakuha tayo ng release. Here's the layup for Pass to Jason Longridge. Put one for Jason.
Thinking to the champion. 50 na kagar. Sub gar, sub. Upstairs. Yung hadlok nakita ko naman.
Whole score. First date lang. Siyempre kay ang lubat kung kulang ng kursa. Lubat kulang kursa. Sus, upat na ng
Perfect pass. Number 10 for Hansa. Marami na si number 3. Lamang na 20. Number 30, dribbling the ball. Looking for another ride to Jason, to Mr. Ese basket for number 10. Connect, 2 points. Nakarami sa number 10. Igualis Gapon. Lamang na sila. Itlawak. Just to walk to 2, wala. Ini shot. Ariel for 2. Easy basket by Ariel. And time out for blue team. 80-80. Longer time out for the first quarter. Time out outside. Referee Mark. Mr. Kobe.
30-26.
Nagkakaroon na ako. Minsan naman, minsan ihalo.
Jason, dua yung time out. Time out yung dua pa. First half.
Ariel. Blue team, inbound by Mr. Saruno. Kick of the week. Mr. Adidas. Robio. Defense by number 6. Yes. Back to number 4. Number 4 by number 0. Number 5 by all by Paul. Paul by number 0.
Second verse. Double zero for dribbling the ball. And Asumi. Number 30. Last shot by Angelo. Simple. 11 seconds.
11 to shoot. Oh, Mr. 14, Marvin. Double zero pick to number 12. Foul by number 4. Angelo.
Second. First person.
Second up.
Double zero to inbound to Nirvana. Nirvana. Nine to shoot. Mr. Marvin, shot down. It's 5. And 3. Shot down. Tawagin mo. Si number 10, out. 11-8. Inbound by Angelo. To number 5, Ilhana. Number 4. Nice defense. 11-15. Yes, number 4. Nice pass. Natulog kay number 0. Nakakaroon ng pass by number 30. Back to Jason.
Wala, hindi mo dalawa oras.
Time out. Yan, time out.
Fighting Wallace!
Music, music.
Robot Oji versus BDR. Ahead, AJ Ricky. One more. Repeat. Okay, so one triple and ready to rebound. Usahay ang tilawan. One sila. Oh, wala kang hirang banyakin. Number 9, Rebuso. Rebuso, wala ko na kapit pa. Rebuso. Pass to Asumi to number 22, 12. Here. Tapos, binasay ko din. 11. Nakuha kay number 12. Nice pass to number 3. One pass to number 7. Nice pass to number 8. Bukan Fortuna. Kurangan. Listen. Talagang to shoot. Jerusalem. Pass to Wagi. 5 to shoot. Goal Fortuna. Wala naman kay number 3. Anderlet, wala. Rebound by Big Big. Akura. Big Big.
Bit daw ko diri.
Like opening condition at Salapuca. No rebound. Good pick up. Wala ka rin. One more and ready to rebound.
Box out! Box out!
Box out down. Wala. Nakuha kay Jess Tugog. Ganda ng biwa ni Jess Tugog. Nakuha kay number 6.
Dala ka na mo di? Dala ka na mo, Pin.
Ako na rin.
Thank you. Yeah.
Okay na, okay.
Kaya sa akin.
In the first quarter, our score is up 30 on. Banana every day okay. Okay, naman ang mga kataan. Mr. Return, alright, back to the movement. Pass in. Pula untuk Buaya, Biasa. Alright, vintage, pinball. Kanina, sa inyo, kanina. Pinball. Pinball by Pinball.
Pero boring. Para ma-official? Boring na yan. Mapapilay sila.
And number
Second.
Angelo, second personal foul.
Kuan na eh. Kusog na wala ni. Di po kayo kusog.
Eight of the weights, Mr. Saruno, number 10, J.D.
Dugi na tayo Miguel dito sa arena. Dugi na to sa arena.
Last one,
Kaya na ba natin?
Mabapur ang team mo.
and number 4. Nice layup, wala. Oy!
Kita no?
Number 6, foul. Green ball.
Number 6. Nakita.
Heads. And number 30.
Second na. Second team pa.
1-0 for two. And perfect. Goal for two, right? Perfect. Jones the ball. Looking for screen. And losing Casper. Casper for three. Finally. 3 points by Lee Casper. Mario Guerrero. Bola taxi Wolver. Tindatura.
Third team fall na. Third team fall na.
Jones the ball.
2 minutes. 2 minutes pa. Third team fall na daw.
And 2 free throws.
Love you. Kaya boss, si Angelo. Congrats ha.
Last score and ready to rebound. Wala pa rin.
Agoy.
Ano yung number 10 day ko na mo box out?
Wala na. Wala na. Sige lang ng out.
Kaya.
Siya.
Maganda ako gusto niyo.
Nabuha na sila sa.
Ano, ito mo. Diya. Kapilado ka. Lamig ini team sa video. Safely. Good foul.
3-0 Green.
Advance na lang pa sa skillet.
Sub.
There you go. Gani. Alis na yung bagong start. May magaling ikaw sa
Number 19. Wala kay South. Nagsuboy na.
Medyo Branta. Easy lang, easy.
Balik po din eh. Umapaw.
Balik. Magbilo na.
Number 9.
Kamu sunod din? Bulag dito sa...
Wala ko hindi ka.
Wala.
Wala ko siya. Wala ko pa hindi na days. Kanina, wala na para magula sa ito.
Margin to number 9. And pass to number 15. Number 15 to 10 to 4. Nice block by number 9. Also to number 10. Easy lang, easy game.
O, pa may katay no?
Wala po. Time out.
Tawa ka lang.
Alright.
Yung trabaho. The seconds.
Casper Curvey, wala. Double kill. To the rebound.
Sab. John, make it count.
Dadaan lang ng go. Wala na kayong phone ang sika. Book na yun. Game of the month. Wala na tayo yung
Sus!
vacation.
Apa sasa?
Kasi,
Salang. That's it.
Oy! Good for
Target Julman. Oy, Julman. Oy, nice.
Atas by number 3.
Blue. Blue man, green man ganyan. Blue na.
Kisa kuliah niya.
Turun na.
Import by Ilmaga. Ilmaga, tugas. Foul from Kanlaon. Rodeo from Yawin. 7 to shoot.
May tulog ba?
Marlon to number 11, Lucasting. Lucasting, number 8. Holding foul by number 8. Rukon by Ilmaga. To Robio. Ilmaga. Naghahabol ng screen. Ilmaga for Bill. So by Ilmaga.
Ano yung gamitan na. Kabul lang ba?
Kahit hindi na wala.
Sap. Upat na yan ah. Isa?
Jerusalem foul. Angelo receive the ball. To Elvaba. Nice pass to Elvaba to Romeo. Elvaba, step back, Harley. Elvaba rebound. Nice defense by number 3. And then 2 points by Jason Darbosa ng Toronto. And 11 for Trey. Great ball. All right. Sila. Norby to Ali. Renato. Number 2 nothing. Nice pass. Defense by Angelo. Keep it to wala. Seven minutes and 55 seconds remaining in the final quarter. 45.
Kulay po siya.
On the ball. Victor, number 9. To number 8. For 2. Okay. Goes out by Victor. 9 to shoot. No pass by Dawson for 2. Wala.
Good.
Number 10.
Tulo.
Rebound.
Right there,
Number 10.
Paul.
Rebound.
So,
Mr.
6'5".
Saruno ng Dawin. Velasco from Hadlaw. Daniel Padilla ng Dawin.
Call rep.
Municipality of Dawin. Nick Ross for rebound.
Warning for penalty.
Red flag.
Oh, thank you.
Inbound by Lumarap to Mr. Linkaspi. And moving to shoot. Linkaspi for dip. Wow, rebound by Mr. Ryan. Yung pass to Dagote. Nice foul. Dagote foul. And 2 free throw by number 10.
Picture time.
Murang nakakita ikot na ulit
Ini nasa likod.
maybe yung aying and Carlos Suzuki.
Di ba siya tutong mo ito?
Kaspi
daw, 35 pa.
35 pa ba? Sila jump ball. Silang jump ball.
Patay lupi, yan ang idara mo dalagan, no? Dagan mo.
Lako ang ning labo ni.
Yan yan. 20-0 ang point. 18 to. Abot na po. Tao naman. Tao nila.
Ini ISO si Jude. Abi na mo labot si.
Sabi the Tigers. Kan lebih beda kok. Tapi 20.
By number 9, to number 30. Dead ball, stop. Number 9.
Sap.
30. Manager team. 3 minutes and 53 seconds remaining in the final quarter. Sabuno in the inbound.
Time out na rin. Time out. Time out pa. Tatlo pa. Okay, time out.
Up by 5 points.
Lupa.
Tupat.
Opat.
Penalty.
Penalty red.
Wala na din.
And this one is for personal foul. Almost graduate. No rebound.
Bubusay mo mo.
Final goal. And ready for rebound.
Minutes.
Okay, 2 minutes. Walang problema yan.
2 minutes and 2 minutes. That's 4.
2 minutes and 1 hour.
Sige, sige.
Wala yung
Sa'yo mo.
hirap. May pagkakas sa Oy! Last cut by
Sa'yo man niya nagsugo.
And 20 seconds shot clock. 18. Yes. 24. 8 na minute.
9, foul. Number 9, Firmiro.
Okay, first to from penalty. No rebound.
Malimit naman.
Final two, ready to rebound.
Good foul kay Earn. Ay mo, masud.
No rebound. Sanchez,
Wala pa, wala.
shoot and time out. Wala. Rebound by
Nice, nice, nice. Nice.
Golden seconds. Oy, up by 4. Green team. 56-52.
Bulan nila, di ba? Anis dipin na.
Easy basket.
free throw.
May usa.
May usa.
Penalty na, penalty na.
Both teams.
Sige, dagdag ko. Penalty. Alas kayo.
Okay, ready to rebound.
Wala ito.
Penalty, penalty. Penalty, penalty. Wala, wala. First free throw niya, wala shoot. Apa isa? Taiwan mo? Ma-shoot? Taiwan mo?
Your time.
Inside MVP dah.
Dito.
Wala, matay.
Your time, take your time, hurry. That's it.
Ras ke kapusan.
That's it. Taas kamay, kamay lang.
Okay.